Hello, my friend, and welcome back to my channel HPB. And today I'm going to talk about Tesla stocks. So, Elon Musk has just dropped a bombshell. He has just tweeted important note about Tesla battery day unveils tomorrow. This affects long-term production, especially semi, Cybertruck, and Roadster. But what we announce will not reach serious high-volume production till 2022. Now, this is something which is completely unprecedented, unimaginable in terms of stock market because there have been so many calls expecting to be touching $500 and it just cut off all possibility. I'm not saying all possibility. There can be possibility that tomorrow we will see a long jump after presentation, but as I expected in my previous video, that don't expect too much. As soon as you reach 500, just sell off. It just happened not to be even close to it. And I'm not sure, I'm not a fortune teller, but let me tell you one thing at very serious point. You can see over here the huge amount of sell-offs after hours. It had been huge movement. It just reached like $116 as well, $416, I think $411.58. And you can see huge amount of volume which is being sold off. So every hour is like as people are getting to know more and more about his tweet, and people are overreacting. So in long term, Tesla is definitely a great stock. I always mention in my previous videos that buy long term calls, or if you want to buy, hold your stock, which is great because earnings will come in November, and there at that point there can be a possibility of huge jump. But uh, at this current moment, I cannot tell you that it will cross tomorrow $500 or not, which looks very unlikely. If it happens, well and good, but support line was among $410, which appears to be, and tomorrow I feel like it will break because Tesla is not something which runs on all the marketing analysis and all the technical analysis you can do. It actually runs on sentiments, and we all know that Elon Musk and his tweets always have long term and a huge impact on the overall stock market and the trading price of Tesla stocks. Last time he tweeted when it was $800, it dropped to $700 or around that range. So, what do you think? It will go up or down? I would really appreciate if you can subscribe my channel so that I can keep updating you about my views on different stocks. But also to remind you that this is like 19 to 25 September is like historically sell off, especially when there is elections. And today we have seen huge amounts of up and down. In the day started with pretty low. You can see over here it's a huge dip. It's not just Tesla, but most of the stocks. It has a huge dip around midday or in the morning hours, and then it has started recovering itself, flatten itself more, and then this huge sell off because of too much overreaction by tweets. So, and like tomorrow it will depend hugely on investor sentiment, what they want, how they like the long term plan or not. And definitely it has good news, like people are overreacting. $1,425 multiplied by 5, if you say that, it's already more than $2,100 overall. So when I feel like 21 to 2,300 is like something, a range where Tesla stocks can rely. So I would say that if you have anywhere range between 400 to $480 for Tesla stock, which is quite good in terms of long term for now at this moment. And definitely it will depends on a lot on tomorrow's presentation, because we were expecting that Elon Musk will talk a lot about battery infrastructure, that he is going to change in battery and all the components in battery and make it million-mile battery and everything. He might talk about some of the production that he is doing on scale. He may also anticipated talk about new model which were anticipated um, from previous. So many people were talking about the possibilities, and he was very excited about the battery day. So many exciting things, but at the same time he is also aware that there are a lot of people betting a lot of money, and it might be or might not be a reason behind that. But this tweet just was a bombshell on so many investors who are playing a short term. So like Elon Musk is like currently told to be like one of the greatest inventors at this present time. He invented PayPal, he invented SpaceX, and so many run a company like that, Tesla electric vehicles, and making it available to everyone is really amazing. There are so many good things about this company, but tomorrow it will be more towards, we have to understand that it will have a long term implication or short term implications. Based on that, we can decide what should be the fair price of Tesla stocks, and this will fluctuate a lot to today after hours because of such a huge news, and his tweets always have uh, some kind of implications on the stock price, which is great for good traders. But as you have calls, and he tweeted after hours, so you cannot sell your calls, and you have to suffer for tomorrow. If you have long-term calls, I always stress on to the people to play long-term calls on Tesla, not short-term calls, because it's very dangerous. It's like it can lead to you a lot of losses, and it just happened. So let's see tomorrow how it goes, and in my view, it will depend a lot on how his presentation goes, and how this Tesla presentation is a great company. It's great to have you have if you have stocks, and good luck to you for tomorrow. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe, and there is a link down below for Webull account. If you don't have Webull account, go and create an account with the link in the description below. You will get 2 free stocks, and I will also get those. So thank you so much for watching this video, and happy investing.